Non-sexual reproduction happens when pollen grains are transferred from the anther. The transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma is called pollination. One of the often brightly colored modified leaves that make up the color of a flower is called petals. Once the pollen grains enters the stigma, it swells and grows. A long tube travels through the style until it reaches the ovary. The tube releases the sperm into the ovule to fertilize the egg cell. The fertilized egg cell and the ovule develops into the seed. The ovary then enlarges thickness to wall to become a fruit. This will be a receptacle for the seeds. Then the seeds can eventually grow into new plants. There are two kinds of pollination. This is self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains to the anther to the stigma of the same flower of a different flower that belongs to the same type. Pollination is the transfer of the pollen grains to the stigma of the same another plant but of the same kind. Cross-pollination is the common form of pollination. 1. This is type of reproduction in plants where the male and female parts of a flower that involved. You can answer this.
Sexual.
Correct. 2. It is transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower that belongs to another plant, but of the same kind. Kiefer.
Cross-pollination.
Correct.
Cross-pollination.
3. It is the male part of the flower. Cha. Biel.
Self-pollination.
Correct. 7. It is female parts of the Kiefer.
Safety.
Kiefer. Biel.
Pistil.
Means the female intestine or together. Next of China.